Every Shopify store hits a point where the default features just stop being enough. You've got specific workflows, unique integration needs, or a customer experience you want to deliver that no off-the-shelf plugin can get quite right. This is where people ask themselves, should I buy a pre-built app or build a custom one? It might sound like a technical decision, but it's really a strategic one. I'm Evan from the ShopNinjas, and in this video, I'm breaking down the differences between a pre-built and a custom Shopify app to help you decide which is the right solution for consistently scaling up your business. Alright, let's start by understanding what you're actually choosing between. Pre-built apps are third-party solutions from the Shopify App Store. They're designed for mass adoption, addressing the most common e-commerce needs like standard reporting, basic loyalty programs, and pop-up forms. You install them, configure them in a few hours, and they work. The pricing is typically a monthly subscription, which keeps things predictable and easy to budget. Custom apps, on the other hand, are built specifically for your store. You don't have to adapt your workflow to fit someone else's solution. It's built around exactly how your business operates. Here is where many merchants get stuck. When people compare pre-built and custom, they look at the upfront cost and stop there. Custom app development can run into the tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars, so on paper, of course it looks expensive, but here's the number that changes the conversation. A recurring subscription of $500 a month across 5 apps adds up to $30,000 over 10 years, and that's before you factor in the soft costs, the time spent managing workarounds, the compromised workflows, the integrations that don't quite talk to each other properly. The right way to evaluate this is total cost of ownership over 3 to 5 years. When you run that calculation, the upfront investment in a custom build often proves to be the more cost-effective and efficient option. Pre-built wins on short-term affordability, custom wins on long-term value and scalability. Actually, let's come to what sort of app is best for scalability, and this is arguably the most important one for any brand that's serious about growth. Pre-built apps are designed for the average store. They work fine at a normal volume, but when you hit a traffic spike, generic apps can buckle. That kind of failure during your biggest sales moment translates directly into painful lost revenue. Custom apps are built with your specific growth trajectory in mind from day one. The code is optimized, the infrastructure is planned for scale, and the app is designed to stay performant whether you're processing 100 orders or 100,000. When you're building for the long term, custom development isn't just a feature, it's future-proofing. So let's tie this all in together. The decision really comes down to one question. Is this functionality core to your competitive advantage? If the answer is no, it's a standard feature, your budget is limited, and you can work within the app's constraints without compromising your business, go with a pre-built solution, it's the right call. But if the answer is yes, if you need a proprietary loyalty structure, complex shipping logic, a dynamic pricing algorithm, or a deep two-way integration with an external system, such as a legacy warehouse management system or a custom CRM, then custom is the only path that makes sense. Trying to patch that together with off-the-shelf tools will cost you more in the long run and slow you down. Here's the simple checklist. If the function is generic and non-core, buy it. If it's unique to how your business competes, build it. And if you're somewhere in the middle, start with pre-built, validate the need, then invest in custom when the business case is clear. So there it is. Pre-built apps are fast, affordable, and perfect for non-core functionality. Custom apps are precise, scalable, and the right investment when the function matters to how your business actually competes. As always, hope this was useful for you guys. If you own a Shopify store or plan to start one, make sure to drop by the ShopNinjas website to check out more insights and tools to improve your e-commerce game. Subscribe and hit the bell. We're here every week. See you in the next one.